Hey everybody, welcome back to 2 Acres Evolving. Today I wanted to do a video to show you how to harvest and start these canna seeds. I have several of them on each of these plants, so I thought that this would be a good time to come out and show you exactly how I do that. Basically, I'm going to be getting the seeds from the canna plants, and then I'm going to show you how to scratch the outer layer of the seeds so that they'll germinate. And then I'm going to plant them in some seed starting mix and get them going. And then after I get this project done, I'm planning on meeting up with my brother to go ride the go-karts and the dirt bike with my nieces and him. So I thought I'd bring the camera along for that. Let me go ahead and get the camera set up and get you a closer look, and I'll show you how to identify when the seeds are ready and then how to harvest them. Okay, these are the canna plants that I'm going to be working on, and ignore the mess down below. I'm currently working in this flower bed, cleaning it out, so ignore that. But when the blooms die off, they have these seed pods. Now this is a seed pod that is not quite ready. When they're ready, they'll turn brown and they'll start to open up like this. And these are very easy to open up. You just kind of break away the outer part of it. Well, it's easier with two hands, but okay, and then it drops these black seeds. So I'm just going to go through and cut all of these off and get them all removed. Okay, so I have all of these cut off now, and then I had some from when I cut off here a while back that I just never got around to taking the seeds out, so I'm going to work on these as well. So basically all I'm going to do is go through all of these and remove the seeds from the seed pods, and I'm going to put them in this glass for now. So I'm just going to go ahead and get all of these seeds taken out, and then I'll show you what I do next. Okay, so I'm running a little bit low on time. I have them all put up over there, and when I get more time, I will collect the rest of them. However, it don't look like it, but there's 106 seeds in here. So right here, there's 106 potential new plants for free. So I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, so for the next step, what you're going to need is your seeds, obviously. You're going to need a small bowl of water, a pair of pliers, and a file. So what you have to do with the seeds is, right now it has this black hard coating over it, and you have to scratch that down to the white surface in order for them to germinate or have good success at germinating. I'm just going to put it in my pliers like that, and then scratch the surface on the file. And it doesn't take too long, and then you'll be able to see the white in there. And once you see that, you stop scratching it down, and then you just put it in the water. So I'm not gonna do a whole lot of these right now. I'm basically saving these seeds for next spring, and I'm gonna start a bunch of them. So I'm not gonna do a whole lot of seeds today. I'm only gonna be doing 6 seeds. I plan on doing a whole lot more this next spring, but I have limited room in my plant room, and I don't want to fill that plant room up over winter with these canna plants. So I'm only going to be doing 6 today, and then I have 3 that have already germinated. Let me go get those real quick. Okay, so I wanted to get you closer so you could see, but as you can see here, I have 3 that have already germinated. These have been in water for about 3 weeks. They were ready last week, so it only takes about 1.5 to 2 weeks for them to germinate. But I haven't had a chance to finish these up yet, so I'm going to do that today as well. I just wanted to show you what they look like after they germinate. Alright, so I've got this done, and I put a little bit of water down on the bottom of it because I'm going to put this clear dome over it to keep moisture in. And then I also have this plant. This is the one that I started about a month ago with this same process. And here it is growing. So it definitely works. Now you'll notice, let me take this off real quick. You'll notice that in the clip whenever I was planting the seeds, I went in and scratched a few more. I scratched 6 more and just put them in the soil. I want to test it to see if those germinate or not. So these 3 down here are the ones that I germinated in the water and they had already sprouted, and then these 6 up here, I did not put them in water. I just scratched them today and put them in the soil to see what would happen. So this process isn't difficult at all. It's a little time consuming depending on how many seeds you want to start. However, if you're gardening on a budget like I am and you have plants out there that are producing seeds and you can start new plants from those, I think it's definitely worth it for a little bit of work. So now I'm gonna head over to my brother's house. We're gonna go out riding and have a little fun today. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Does it have pointing?
Hello.
All right, Maddie's gonna drive me around. Are you ready?
No.
What do you mean no? Was that fun?
Yeah.
You having fun, Maddie?
Yes.
Well, now we're stranded. What? All right, we're gonna go to the waterfall.
Yeah. Are you sure?
Yeah, that's what your dad said.
Oh. Where?
Hey, Ariana,
What?
go get that armadillo.
Where'd it go?
No.